are back with a new video which focus on how to strike through our text. So let's get into it. So first we are going to type a text on the working area. So we are going to select the word that we want to strike through. So as you see, I selected it. So after that we are going to go on the home tab. As you see, after the underline text there is a strike through, so we click it. So after that you see the word that we selected is strike through. There is also another way. So for that we are going to type a new word. So this is enabled, so I'm going to disable it. So after that let me type the same word, hello. So another shortcut is I select the text. After that I am going to press Ctrl D on my keyboard. After that the new tab will be opened. After that I selected this checkbox, strike through, then I click OK. So as you see, you have two options to make a strike through text. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe, like and share button to support our channel. We will see on the next video. Bye.